Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Teamfight Tactics Error Code 8FE0F018, 503. The error reads, "A service error has occurred, unable to complete actions." As per our research, the error comes after the latest update. Many users have reported that the error doesn't let them play the game on mobile. We also have found that this issue is affecting players right after the new patch went live. According to our research, this is likely a server-side issue. We first suggest you restart your device and then check if the game needs an update. If there is a pending update, install it and then check if the error still comes. If the game is already up to date but the error still appears, then try logging out of the game and re-log into your account. Once you are logged back in, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes even after re-logging, then probably the servers are down. So we suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.